Okay, in this recording, what we're going to look at is how we would use the slip and slide method to factor 5m squared minus 17m plus 6. So this is example 2. All right, so first we slip 5 to the 6. So this 5 to that 6, and then we multiply 5 times 6 equals 30. Okay, now we rewrite the problem without the 5 there, so we'll have m squared minus 17m, and now instead of plus 6, plus 30. Then we factor that. And sometimes with factoring, we have to play around with the numbers a little bit to get the right combination. But here we notice we want a product of 30 and we want a sum of negative 17. So if the last number is positive, then that means I multiplied the number here and here and got a positive. Only way to do that is with both of them negative or both of them positive. Since we see this negative 17, that is a clue that says both signs are going to be negative because when we add two negatives together, they remain negative. When we multiply two negatives, we get a positive. So for this one, we're going to look at 15 times 2. That would give us positive 30. But if I add those together, it would give me a positive 17. I need a negative 17. So negative 15 and negative 2. And that will give me negative 15 plus negative 2 equals negative 17. So there I go. Those are the numbers that I'm going to use. M and M go here. Minus 15 minus 2. Now, for my next step, I'm going to slide. I did my slip when I slipped the 5 over to the 6. Now I slide. I slide the 5 under. Slide the 5 under those two factors that I came up with. Then I reduce. So my next factoring line down will be these numbers reduced. So that's going to be 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so m minus 3. There's one of my factors. Then, because this does not reduce to an integer, I slide that 5 over in front of the m. 5m minus 2. And there's my factored form. In order to double check it, I would multiply it out. But that is the factored form that I'm looking for. Okay, so work that one through again. Try to make it make sense to you.